Hi everyone, this is Kim from KILA Create Printables and welcome to this tutorial. Today is Tag Tuesday and I thought that I would do something with my vintage Alice tags. These are a printable that's available in my Etsy store. So what I plan to do is a little while ago I started a series called Alice's Garden, and I made this journal cover. And I sort of didn't get too far into this project, so I thought that it might be nice to pick this up again and add some things to it, and maybe do a few new tutorials to finish off this journal, because I sort of did the cover, and then I think I did a tutorial where I did some pockets, and then I got distracted and moved on to other things. So I thought it might be nice to do something that I can add to this particular journal, because I actually really love how this cover turned out. So if you haven't seen the tutorial for this cover, make sure you go and check that out on my channel. So I'll set that aside for now, but what I wanted to do was use the vintage tags today, and then I've got a couple of pieces here from the Alice's Garden journal kit as well that I'm going to incorporate into these tags. And then I've got some decorative brads here, because my idea today is I'm going to make a swivel tag, or a set of 3 swivel tags. So I'm going to put these back to back and make them so that I can swivel this around and have some journaling space on the insides of those. This particular printable does come with a decorative paper, so I have printed that on the back as well. All right, so and I've also got a sheet of this is from a scrapbook that I picked up from my op shop for like 20 cents, I think. So I've just been using it's great paper to use for journaling space and that sort of thing. Okay, so if you'd like to grab a cup of tea or coffee or your drink of choice and sit back and follow along, I'll see how this turns out. Thank you for watching this KILA Create Printables tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed crafting along with me for Tag Tuesday as I made these vintage Alice swivel tags. Make sure you check the description down below for a link to my Etsy store where you can find the vintage Alice tags and lots of other printables for your crafting projects. You might like to also come and join my Facebook group. We have lots of crafting fun and I give away a stack of freebies every month. And please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel for more crafting tutorials.